everyone, my name is Kushal Khimani and welcome to NFTs Explained. So the year of NFT. The year of NFT in March 2021, an artist called Beeple sold an NFT based artwork for a record selling 69 million. And NFTs began to shake up the art world, the tech world, and dozens of other subcultures. The year that followed has been a roller coaster. Artists and collectors have made fortunes of NFTs. Brand after brand has launched digital marketing gimmicks, and NFT apes even made it into the Tonight Show. But more recently, the NFT scene has lost much of that early momentum. Sales of NFTs have cratered, and the entire crypto market has lost much of its value. This slowdown has put the space in a new light. Can the tremendous growth and communities that formed around it in the early days of NFT be maintained? Or was this whole thing just a strange technological fad? All this news may have left you wondering, what is an NFT? Anyhow, let's start with the basics. What is an NFT? What does NFT stand for? So NFT stands for non-fungible token. That doesn't make it any clearer. Right, sorry. Non-fungible more or less means that it's unique and can't be replaced with something else. For example, Bitcoin is fungible. Trade one for another Bitcoin and you will exactly have the same. A one-of-a-kind trading card, however, is non-fungible. If you trade it for a different card, you will have something completely different. You gave up a Squirtle and you got a T909 T206 Honus Wagner, which Stadium Talks calls the Mona Lisa of baseball cards. How do NFTs work? At a very high level, most NFTs are a part of a Ethereum blockchain, through which other blockchains have implemented their own version of NFTs. Ethereum is a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or Dogecoin, but this blockchain also keeps track of who's holding and trading NFTs. How do you pronounce NFT? Almost everyone spells it out like NFT. The brave call them nefts. The enlightened have never had the word cross their lips. What's worth picking up at the NFT supermarket? NFTs can be really anything digital, such as drawings, music, or your brain downloaded turned into an AI. But a lot of current excitement is around using the tech to sell digital art. So let's do a quick rundown of what the blockchain is. Well, it's pretty complex, but the basic idea is that blockchains are a way to store data without having to trust anyone or any company or entity to keep things secure and accurate. These are definitely nuisances and exceptions are there, which you can read about in the blockchain explainer of The Verge. But when most people say blockchain, that's the kind of tech they are talking about. I think I remember hearing that NFTs are already over. Didn't the boom go bust? Like for real this time. Sales have absolutely slumped since their peak. Though, like with seemingly everything in crypto, there's always somebody declaring over it. Done with the ride before a spike. I'm predicting that NFTs are about to make a comeback. What's the point of NFTs? That really depends on whether you're an artist or a buyer. If you're an artist, first up, I'm proud of you. Way to go. You might be interested in NFTs because it gives you a way to sell your work, and there otherwise might not be much of market. If you come up with a really cool digital sticker idea, what you are going to do is going to sell it on the iMessage App Store. Also, some NFT marketplaces have a feature that you can make sure to get a paid percentage every time your NFT is sold or changes hands. That makes sure that if your work gets super popular and balloons in value, you'll see some of that benefit. I am a buyer. One of the obvious benefits of buying art is it lets you financially support artists you like. And that's true with NFTs. Buying an NFT also usually gets you some basic usage rights, like being able to post the image online or set it as a profile picture. Plus, of course, there are bragging rights that you own the art, with a blockchain entry to back it up. No, I mean I'm a collector. NFTs can work like any other speculative asset, where you buy it and hope that the value goes up one day. So you can sell it for a profit. This is like stocks. So every NFT is unique in the boring technical sense that every NFT is a unique token on the blockchain. But while it could be like Van Gogh, where there's only one definitive actual version, it could be also like a trading card. There's more than 50 or hundreds of numbered copies of the same artwork. So this is an example of Logan Paul. He sold NFT video clips, which are just clips from a video you can watch on YouTube anytime you want, for up to $20,000. He also sold NFTs of Logan Paul's Pokemon card. Are NFTs mainstream now? It depends on what you mean. If you're asking if, say, my mom owns one, the answer is no. But we have seen big brands and celebrities like Marvel and Wayne Gretzky launch their own NFTs, which seem to be aimed at more traditional collectors rather than crypto enthusiasts. While I don't think I'd call NFTs mainstream in the way that smartphones are mainstream or Star Wars is mainstream, they do seem to have at least some extent showing some staying power even outside of the cryptosphere. Ah, yes. Excellent question. An 18-year-old who goes by the name Fevocious says that NFT drops have netted over 17 million, though obviously most haven't had the same success. The New York Times talked to a few teens in the NFT space, and some said that they use NFTs as a way to get used to working on a project with a team or to just earn some spending money. Can I build an underground cave or a bunker to store my NFTs? Well, like cryptocurrencies, NFTs are stored in digital wallets. You could always put the wallet on a computer in an underground bunker though. Okay, so what's to say that you have said about pirating? So someone created this file called the NFT Bay. It's a sort of art project where they put up a torrent file to a 19 terabyte file, and which they said included every NFT on the Ethereum and Solana blockchains. There's some doubt about whether this was actually a treasure trove for NFTs. If it was such a thing, could be referred to as the treasure. But in theory, it is actually possible to scan the blockchain to find every record of an NFT being minted and download the media it links to. Real or not, it's an incredible piece of performance art, sparking a conversation about the right clicker mindset. What if I wanted to watch a TV show that's somehow related to NFTs? Believe it or not, you have options. Steve Aoki is working on a show based on the character from a previous NFT drop called the Dominion X. The show site says that it will be an episodic series launched on the blockchain. The first video is on OpenSea. There are a, there are hundreds of NFTs already associated with the show. There's also a show called Stoner Cats, which uses NFTs as a sort of ticket system. Currently, there's only one episode available, but Stoner Cat NFT is required to watch. Now you know about NFTs, NEFTs, or NFTs. Thank you and have a nice day ahead. See you on the next video. Bye.